When you think of iconic automotive design, the Jeep Wrangler immediately comes to mind. For decades, the 7-slot grille has been synonymous with Jeep's rugged off-road capabilities, creating a signature look that enthusiasts and casual drivers alike recognize from miles away. However, one British tuning company has decided to shake things up by taking that trademark grille and replacing it with a design that looks far more like something you'd expect to see on a Land Rover than a Jeep. This bold transformation comes courtesy of Chelsea Truck Co., a company known for its luxurious and highly customized upgrades to some of the most rugged off-road vehicles on the market. Their latest creation, the Heritage Lattice Grille, has been specifically designed for the Jeep Wrangler JL, and it's a radical departure from the brand's signature front-end design. For Jeep purists, the idea of swapping out the classic 7-slot grille for something more akin to a Land Rover Defender might seem like sacrilege. After all, the grille has become an enduring symbol of Jeep's identity and its heritage. But for those looking to make their Wrangler stand out in a sea of 7-slot competitors, Chelsea Truck Co.'s Lattice Grille might just be the answer. What's interesting about this new grille design is how it reimagines the Jeep Wrangler's front fascia. Gone is the iconic 7-slot pattern, replaced instead with a lattice design that might feel a bit more familiar to fans of classic British off-roaders like Land Rover. The grille features squared-off headlight surrounds and a satin black finish, giving the Wrangler a sharper, more aggressive aesthetic. Whether or not this redesign enhances the Wrangler's rugged charm is certainly up for debate, but there's no denying that it completely transforms the vehicle's appearance. Chelsea Truck Co. claims that the Heritage Lattice Grille is made from OEM quality materials, ensuring that it maintains a high standard of durability and craftsmanship. The design itself, however, is what stands out the most. It completely erases the Jeep identity, leaving you with a vehicle that, while still unmistakably a Wrangler in body shape, now features a grille that could easily be mistaken for a Land Rover. This might not sit well with every Jeep fan, but for those who crave something different, this custom grille could be a game changer. As an added touch, Chelsea Truck Co. offers buyers the ability to further personalize their grille. You can add your own letters or numbers to the lattice design, giving it a more personalized look that helps to distinguish your vehicle from others on the road. This level of customization is a hallmark of Chelsea Truck Co.'s approach, ensuring that each build stands out in its own unique way. This particular Wrangler also boasts a fresh set of 20-inch forged wheels, which are coated in the same satin black finish as the lattice grille. These wheels give the Wrangler an even more off-road ready appearance, and they're wrapped in meaty off-road tires, ensuring the vehicle can handle any terrain with ease. If the standard 20-inch wheels aren't enough to make a statement, Chelsea Truck Co. also offers a larger 22-inch set, adding even more visual drama to the build. For those who find the lattice grille a bit too bold or perhaps too unconventional, Chelsea Truck Co. has another option. They also offer a 4-slot grille made from carbon fiber, which presents a cleaner, more upscale aesthetic compared to the lattice design. This grille is priced at £1,440, it's approximately $1,905, and offers a more refined, minimalist approach to Jeep customization. While it's a bit less adventurous than the lattice grille, it may appeal to those seeking a more subtle upgrade for their Wrangler. In the end, Chelsea Truck Co. has once again proven that when it comes to customizing off-road vehicles, they are unafraid to push the envelope. By reimagining the Jeep Wrangler JL with a Land Rover-inspired grille, they've created a vehicle that stands out in the crowd, but whether or not it retains the rugged charm of the original Jeep design is a matter of personal preference.